How to get notes on Instagram. If you have seen other people using Instagram Notes, but the feature is not showing up for you, there are a few steps you can take to enable it. First, open the Instagram app and tap on the messages icon at the top right. If you have the Notes feature, you will see a section at the top where you can add or change a note. You can type a new note, delete an old one, or update it. If you do not see this feature, the first step is to update Instagram. Open the App Store or Google Play Store and search for Instagram. If you see an update button, tap it to install the latest version. Once the update is complete, open Instagram again and check if the Notes feature appears. If the feature is still missing, the next step is to switch your account to a professional account. To do this, go to your profile by tapping your profile picture at the bottom right. Tap the three horizontal lines at the top right, then tap Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and select Account Type and Tools. Tap Switch to Professional Account. This option is free and anyone can do it. Follow the steps and choose Creator when prompted. Once the process is complete, your account will have more features and the Notes option may appear. After switching to a professional account, go back to the Instagram home screen and tap the messages icon again to check if the Notes feature is available. That's how to get notes on Instagram.